Dr. Cynthia Kenyon is a molecular biologist and biogerontologist, which is a scientist who studies the mechanisms and processes of aging and age-related diseases. According to the Academy for Health and Lifespan Research, she is the director of the Hillblom Center for the Biology of Aging at the University of San Francisco. She is also a member of the U.S. National Academy of Sciences, the American Academy of Arts and Sciences, the Institute of Medicine, and is an American Cancer Society professor. Before she was the director of the Hillblom Center, she was a professor of biochemistry and biophysics at the University of California, San Francisco. According to the Smithsonian Magazine, growing up, Dr. Kenyon was always very curious and searching for answers. She loved learning and became particularly interested in the process of aging. She felt that as she and everyone else grew up and went through the different stages of development, that this would be an interesting topic to study. She was born in Chicago, and she also lived in Georgia, New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. She graduated from the University of Georgia as a valedictorian with a double major in biochemistry and chemistry. She attended MIT and obtained her PhD, and she then went to the MRC Laboratory of Molecular Biology in Cambridge, United Kingdom, for postdoctoral study of the development of C. elegans, also known as roundworms. Dr. Kenyon likes reading different books ranging from Edgar Allan Poe's Tales of Mystery and Imagination to literature about molecular biology of genetics. She also enjoyed learning about psychology and taking courses related to this subject. Her years of research has influenced her to eat a low-carb diet in order to keep her insulin levels low and to stay healthy. She became particularly interested in genetics after reading The Molecular Biology of the Gene by John D. Watson because she found learning about gene expression intriguing. I admire Dr. Kenyon because she has a passion and a drive to learn and discover new things. She also wanted to make an impact through discovery and accomplished this goal through her hard work. I also find her age-related research interesting because it is an area of interest that I have not heard about before. According to PBS, The Faces of Science, her field of research is biogerontology, molecular biology, and genetics. She is mostly known for her discovery that a single mutation in a particular gene in C. elegans results in double the lifespan of the organism. The current research in the Hillblom lab focuses on age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's and diabetes. Specific questions of study include how aging is controlled by genetics and hormone pathways, as well as the effect of genetic mutations on lifespans. One research article she has authored is The Genetics of Aging. The article discusses the different factors and mechanisms involved in aging, such as hormonal signaling pathways and the influence of environmental conditions. The question the schematic diagram represents is the effect of chronic dietary restriction on lifespan. Dr. Kenyon obtained worms, mice, and flies and put them in an environment in which their food was restricted. She then measured and recorded the effect of this restriction on the TOR pathway and compared the results with the control groups which were put in the same environment but without diet restriction. As seen in worms, flies, and mice, restriction increases lifespan by lowering the rate of TOR, or target rapamycin activity, which is a signaling pathway involved in cell growth and metabolism. Overall, it was concluded that lowering TOR activity results in shifting energy from growth to repair and maintenance, which results in cells that are more stress resistant. In worms, the increase in SK1 in neurons also results in enhanced stress resistance. In flies and mice, restriction also decreases IIS activity, which is a signaling pathway that utilizes insulin and is involved in growth factors, allowing for energy to focus on cell resistance. SK kinase is an enzyme involved in the regulation of cell growth and is controlled by the TOR pathway. As explained before, Dr. Kenyon has discovered the influence on different factors of aging, such as changes in dietary restriction. According to her article on a C. elegans mutant that lives twice as long as wild type, she has also discovered a single gene mutation that doubles the lifespan of these roundworms. Her next steps include continuing to research the different factors of aging and to discover more mechanisms and hormone-related pathways that affect many organisms, including humans. Overall, Dr. Kenyon has conducted research involving the study of aging and the mechanisms involved in the process. She has a passion to discover unknown processes and hopes that her research can be used to help benefit people. Thank you for listening, and here are my references.